Good evening, friends. Today I wish to put before you the right to freedom. Right to freedom basically is a human right. Right from the birth until the last breath, man wants to be free. So therefore, right to freedom occupies very important role in every person, everyone's life. That is the basic right. Therefore, the Constitution of India under Article 19 provides right to freedom. It guarantees right to freedom for every Indian. So therefore, we should also understand right to freedom is not without controls. What is right to freedom? Right to live, right to move without any restrictions within the territory of India, right to speak, right to express, right of speech and expression, right to assemble peacefully, right to vote, right to education, right to acquire knowledge. So these are the right which is guaranteed under the Article 19. But when a group of unruly people assemble so as to disturb the peace of the society or so as to threaten the very unity and integrity of the state, when the unruly mob or unruly group assemble or protest so as to create an impression of disturbing the peace in the society, when there is a violence, when there are speeches, hate speeches carried out against the state, when speech, inflammatory speech is given so as to disturb the peace of the state. When I say state, I mean the nation, the country. That is not guaranteed under Article 19. It's an anti-national activity. So they must be tried for waging the war, for disturbing the peace. Freedom very simply means a freedom, a feeling of the freedom without disturbing the freedom of the other person is what is freedom. Violence is no freedom. When we challenge the government in a way law prohibits, taking arms, pelting stones, destroying the public property, is no freedom. So they cannot take shelter under the freedom. Shouting, destroying the peace, creating fear amongst the people in the neighborhood is no freedom. So they must be tried for waging war against the society. Therefore, friends, freedom, though is a basic human right, it must be used properly. So when it is used under the disguise of freedom, if there are unruly protests so as to disturb the entire society and so as to disturb the unity and integrity of a state, of the country, so as to threaten, then it is no freedom.